boys and girls, today is a special day. It is April. It's not March anymore. And it's day number 1. So let's count to 1. 1, that was easy. All right, let's count in Spanish. Uno, very good. All right, I wanted to tell you that today is a funny day. It's April Fool's Day. That means that people play tricks on people just for fun, not mean tricks, just funny stuff. So today is April Fool's Day, and if you were here in school, I'd play a trick on you. But since I'm not with you, then maybe you can play a little trick on your parents, but just a funny one, just a silly one, not anything that's gonna make them cry or anything. All right, I also wanted to remind you, K-4, you know, we were learning our addresses, and all of you know them. So I want you to keep reminding you to learn, to tell your mom, say, what's my address? And, or have your mom ask you what your address is, and then you can tell her, because I want you to keep that in your mind. Also, we were working on our phone numbers. Some of you know your phone number. All of us, except for 2 people, have 606 as the area code, but a couple of you have other numbers, so it's a little bit longer for you. But the rest of us, 606, and then have your mom's cell phone, have your mom practice with her cell phone. Like, for instance, mine is 606. 6820806. Remember that? Okay, so have your mom ask you to help with your learning of your phone number. Some of you know it. Some of you have already gotten suckers from me for learning your phone number, but the rest of us need to keep that in our mind. Now, today we're going to have a little spelling test, K-4, just like we have done in class. And I will, you get out your papers that I'm giving you, and we can do this together. All right, we're gonna sound these out together. So you've got a C and an A. C says K, A says A. Put it together, it says cat. What would I put on the end to make the word cat? T, t. What letter says T? Right, the letter T. I'm gonna make a baby T right there. So that's the letter that you would put in the blank. All right, the next letter is H, A. H says H, A says ah. Put it together, it says ha. All right, if I wanted to spell the word hat, what would I put there? T, a T again. So you've got the word cat and the word hat. All right, let's go down to this one. This is an S and this is an A. S says S, A says ah. Put it together, it says sa. But what if I wanted to spell the word sat? It's another T, that's right. So now you have the word cat, hat, and sat, all right? Now we're gonna go to this column. So on your paper, you've got B and E. B says B, E says eh. Put it together and it says be. If I were gonna spell the word bed, what would I put? Not a T, but a D. So you're gonna make a letter D. So now you've got the word bed. Now come down to this one. H says H, A says ah. Put it together and it says ha. If I were gonna spell the word had, what says D? The D again, good job. All right, so now you've got the word bed and the word had. Let's move down to this one. You've got an S and an A. S says S, A says ah. Put it together and it says sa. But what if I wanted to spell the word sad? Sad. Another D, you're right. So you've got S-A-D, sad. So let's review the words that we've got. We spelled cat, hat, sat, bed, had, and sad. Very good. We'll have more to follow, but practice these words and practice reading your words. And maybe you could have your mom or your dad or maybe your grandma maybe make you some things like this and have you guess which letter would be on the last, okay? Until next time, have a good week.